Dzień dobry and welcome again to another episode of Mango Daddy Kitchen. For today we're gonna make a pasta. Actually it's Polish. It's makaron z tuńczykiem I anchois. Tuna and anchovie pasta. Spaghetti or tagliatelle, any one of the long pasta. So it's very easy. It only has a few ingredients, which are 2 cloves of garlic, some olive oil, anchovies, canned tuna, black olives, capers, and optional chili. With that, let's begin. So, I start by chopping the 2 cloves of garlic, the optional chili pepper, and the black olives. Usually the capers, since they have a very strong flavor, I like to rinse them a bit in water first, just to remove that saltiness from them. We open the can of tuna and we drain it. We don't need the water or oil that it uses. The anchovies I like to chop beforehand too. So I already started boiling the water for the pasta, so I have no hassle. Just add a bit of salt to the water and we can throw. In this case I'm using some tagliatelle. Some olive oil. The rest of the stuff, that means the olives, the chilies, the anchovies, and the capers. A little bit of salt, pepper. If it dries out, a little bit of water. Pasta's ready. Mix well. So the pieces of tuna gets in with the pasta. Now you don't put cheese on fish pasta. Instead what you're gonna put is breadcrumbs. Buca torta. Now with all said and done, this quick recipe that takes you more or less 10 minutes to do, quick and easy. If you consider pasta takes around 8 to 9 minutes to keep it al dente, and to cook the sauce it takes you less than 5 minutes. It's pretty easy, so I hope you enjoy it like I'm gonna enjoy it for my lunch. Thank you for seeing my videos. Enjoy, subscribe, and share. Thanks again. See you for the next episode.